Well, hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to Diksha Karnataka YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing good. Today is the day where we'll talk about mock number 8, KPL 8 solution. Okay, so I hope you have solved all the questions. All 30 questions were very easy. This was a very easy to moderate paper, not difficult at all. On the chapter vectors, which is again a very easy chapter. So I am really hoping that all of you got a very good marks in this. Okay, so for every right answer, you have to get yourself 1 mark. If you get it wrong or you did not answer any particular question, you have to write yourself or give yourself for that question 0 marks. Okay, so but I don't think that will be the case in this particular session, in the mock number 8. Okay, so with this, let's start the solution of the session. I hope you're gonna enjoy the solution session. Let us see bacha, question number 1. Okay, so I'm hoping everybody got this answer, right? Chaliye. So look at the question number 1. The area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are I plus k, okay, and 2i plus j plus k. Okay, area we are looking to find for parallelogram. Great. Where they have given what? Adjacent sides. Do you remember the formula? Of course you do. The area of parallelogram is given by, if I call this to be, let's say, vector A is this, and this is given by vector B. The answer would be what, bacha? The answer would be A cross B in the mod. A cross B in the mod. Let's find A cross B. How would you do that? So A cross B would be given by the determinant for the matrix written like this: I, J and K, which the first row is like this, second row will be 1 0 1, second row will be 2 1 1, 2 1 1. Let's find the matrix first. So let's find the determinant for this first. I get with respect to I cap, okay, I'll have 0 minus 1. With J cap, I'll have to put minus sign because of the position of the J cap. Okay, I'll have 1 minus 2. And with K cap, I'll have what, bacha? I'll have 1 minus 0. Correct? 1 minus 0. Please check now. So minus I cap plus J cap and plus K cap. This is my A cross B. But is this the answer? Of course not. So what is the answer? The mod of this. So if I write the mod of this, will be given by what? 1 square plus 1 square plus simply root 3. Option number D. Option number D is the correct answer, sir. Everyone got this answer right? Of course you did. Okay, chaliye. Let's move on to question number 2. Acha, before I move on, I have an announcement. Last KPL, I said there's a doubt in the question number 28, I remember. So 2 answers were coming. Answer was unique, basically one answer, infinite answer. Please change the answer to be 1. Okay, so the answer for that particular question number 28, we ever talked about, so the answer was, okay, the answer is what? 1. Okay, x equals to 1 was coming. No, remember this question? X equals to 1 was this line. Okay, then we used that what? For that line, how many answers will be there? Answer is 1. So please check. Okay, so take that. Question number 28, KPL number 7. Answer is x equals to 1. Okay, which is how much? Only 1. Okay, unique solution. Number of solution is what? 1. Moving on. If A and B are 2 unit vectors inclined at an angle of pi by 3, then find the value of A plus B. चलिए कर लेते हैं. कैसे करेंगे? How will we do it? Please check. So I'll write A square B square plus is there, right? So plus 2 times of AB and cos theta. Okay, so this is going to be 1 plus 1 plus 2, 1 into 1, right? The magnitude is what? Unit vector, right? So 1 into 1, cos theta is going to be what? Cos of pi by 3. So 1 by 2, cancel it. How much is that? 1, sir. What we're getting over here, bacha? We're getting 3 over here. We're looking for what? A plus B the mod. Okay, if I take the root outside that side, if I take a square as root, okay, again it will become a root 3, which is what? Obviously more than 1. Root 3 is what? 1.732. Root 3 is 1.732, right? And like that. So it is greater than 1. So option number B is the correct option. Got it? We are looking to find the value of mod of A plus B, right? Coming as root 3, which is obviously more than 1. So option number B is correct answer. Chaliye. Excuse me. Question number 3. If A equals to I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap, B is given with the magnitude 5, then angle between A and B is 5 by 6. Okay, then the area of the triangle formed by these two vectors sides are what? Okay, formed by the vector two sides are what? Tell me here, bacha. If you remember this, area of triangle was what given by a cross b the mod by 2. A cross b the mod by 2. Have a look. What's that going to be, bacha? So mod of a mod of b sine theta upon 2. That's the definition of the vector product. Great. Please check now. What is mod a? I have to find it out here, sir. So please find it out, bacha. 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square, sir. So 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 squared times what? B mod 5. Please check. Sine theta. Theta is what? Pi by 6. So sine of pi by 6 whole divided by 2. Great. What is the answer going to be? Tell me here. So this is going to be 9, right? 2 square is 4 plus 4, then 1 is simply 1, so 9. So 9 root is going to be 3 times of 5. Great. Sine pi by 6, so sine 30 degree is going to be what? 1 upon 2 divided by 2. 1 second, I took it as 15, it's going to be simply 5. 5 is given over here, so only 5. What is my final answer? My final answer is going to be 5 into 3, 15, and 2 into 2 in the denominator, so 4. Option number D, sir. Option number D is the correct option. Please check. Yes, simple enough. 15, asking your 15 KCET examination. Simple problem. Moving on to question number 4. Let a vector given as I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap, and if b is a vector such that a dot b equals to b square. Great. And a minus b, the mod is root 7. Then find the vector b magnitude. Okay. So let's see. Let's start from where what they've given finally. We'll start from here, bacha. Simple question. It's not a difficult question. You'll see. So vector a minus vector b, the magnitude is going to be what? They've given it as root 7. Please take the whole square. Okay. On both sides. So it'll be what, bacha? Whole square equals to simply 7. You know this. This will become what? A square. This will become b square minus 2ab and what? Cos theta. Okay. Okay, I don't have to write that. I'll tell you why. Because angle is unknown, right? So I can simply write this in the form of a dot b. Right? I can write ab cos theta as what? A dot b. Okay. Equals to 7, sir. Great. Now please have a look. What is a square, sir? Please from here. What is a square, sir? Root of, so simply a square will be 1 plus not root, right? 1 plus 4 plus 9. 1 plus 4 plus 9. Great. For a square. What about b square? B square is going to be what, bacha? Acha, over here. So this is simply b square minus 2. What is a dot b? A dot b is also b square, right? So I can write here minus 2b square equals to 7. Have a look. A dot b is b square. So I've written that a dot b as b square. What I get here? 9 plus 4 is 13 plus 1, 14. B square minus 2b square is how much? Minus b squared equals to 7. Bring this over here and this 7 on this side. I get what? Simple steps. So 14 minus 7 equals to b squared. So what is b equals to? Root of 7. Not this, excuse me. Option number D. Root of 7. Have a look. Please have a look. Simple question. All of you got it right. I want you to know, I want you to know that this question was very simple, okay? And I want to know whether you got it right or not. So let me know. Question number 4, answer was right or not. So right here, question number 4, 1 mark you got, okay? So question number 4, comment in the section, okay? Question number 4, 1 mark I've received, sir. Moving on, question number 5. If direction cosines of a vector of magnitude 3 are, great. So if I take a vector to be, let's say, vector A, okay? Let's say the vector is vector A, all right? And what is this, bacha? Magnitude is what? 3, all right? What's the meaning of direction cosine, sir? It means, sir, that this is going to be L, this is what, sir? M, this is what, sir? N, okay? LMN, great. So how we write the vector to be? So we'll write unit vector as, please check, Li cap plus mj cap plus nk cap. So what is it? 2 by 3 I cap plus, sorry, not plus, minus, right? This is a minus 1 by 3, no? So minus 1 by 3 excuse me, minus 1 by 3 j cap and plus 2 by 3 k cap. This is what? This is my unit vector across A. But I'm looking for what vector? Vector A. Vector A would be 3 times of, okay? 3 times of what, bacha? Please check here. 2 by 3 I cap minus 1 by 3 j cap plus 2 by 3 k cap. Please check over here. We can cross this out. What's the answer going to be? 2i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. Please check. 2i cap minus 1 into j is what? Simply j plus 2k. 2i minus j plus 2k. Option number A is the correct option. Yes, 2i minus j plus 2k. Have a look. Okay, visible? Question number 6. If 2 times of a dot b equals to mod of a times of dot mod of b, then the angle between a and b is what? Okay, angle between a and b is what? Okay, chaliye. Can a question get simpler than this? Okay, it's a PYQ. That's what, very simple chapter. If you know some concepts, you're gonna get free marks in this. Okay, so 2a dot b is given as what? Is given as this. Correct? How are you gonna solve this? 2a b magnitude, right? Cos theta going to be what? Same thing was written in the RHS side. Cancel this. What is cos theta, sir? 1 by 2. What is theta, sir? Pi by 3, right? Excuse me. Pi by 3, right? Okay. 60 degree. Cos 60 is what? 1 by 2. Option number D. Moving on to question number 7. Simple question. 7th problem. If A and B are unit vectors, then what is the angle between A and B for this condition to be unit vector? Okay. So what they've given here, no? They're asking for this to be unit vector, means they're basically saying that root 3a minus vector b mod is 1. You have to prove this, right? But for what condition of? For what angle between A and B? They're asking us theta, right? So we can just do what? Take whole square on both sides. Take here. What are you going to get, bacha? You're going to get 3a vector mod plus, what is this? Vector b square. Okay, great. Plus, okay, minus sign. There's a minus sign. A minus b the whole square, no? So there's a minus sign. Minus, please check, 2 times of root 3a b. Okay, and what? Cos of theta equals to what? 1. 1 square is simply 1. Check here, root 3. Okay, they are all unit vectors, no? Means it's simply going to be 3 plus 1. A is going to be what? 1, right? A square is there, so 1 plus 1 minus 2 root 3, because this both are going to be 1 only. Cos theta equals to 1. Cancel this 1 and 1, bacha. Okay, what I get? I get 3 equals to 2 root 3 cos theta. I'm bringing this over here, right? So I get what? Cos theta equals to 3 upon 2 root 3. Check here. So what I get? What did I get? I get cos theta equals to root 3 by 2. So theta equals to what? Pi by 6, right? So theta equals to simply 30 degree. Option number A. Cos 30 is what? Root 3 by 2, no? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So option number A. Option number A is the correct answer. Please check. Option number A is the correct answer. You can cancel, no, root 3 with 3 as root 3. Simple enough. Answer is 30 degrees. Option number A. Right? If A and B are unit vectors, so I've taken this mod of A as 1. What is the angle between this? The angle is, let's say the angle is theta. So taking the whole square over here to get in terms of theta, cos theta over here. Got this result, theta as 30 degrees. Moving on to question number 8. Suppose A plus B plus C is equal to 0. Great. Mod A is 3, mod B is 5, mod C is 7. Then the angle between A and B is what? Ari? Check, check, check. A plus B. I can write it as vector C, right? Sorry, minus vector C. Move this C on this side. So minus vector C. Now whole square. So I get what? A square B square plus 2AB cos theta. And now what is this angle theta going to be? Angle between A and B only. right? Angle between A and B only. This is 2AB cos theta, okay, equals to what? C square. Value of A square, sir, 9. B square, sir, 25. 2 times of 3 into 5, sir, so 15 cos theta equals to C square, sir, 49. Please check. Okay, please check what I get here over here. Bring this thing on this side, both of the terms. I get what? 30 cos theta equals to what? 49 minus 9 is what? 40. Minus 25 is what? 15. Please check. If you're not sure, do the subtraction. 49 minus 9 is 40, minus 25 is 15. I get cos theta is what? Cos theta is 50 upon 30, 1 by 2. This happens when theta is equals to 60 degrees. 60 degrees or pi by 3. Pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. Answer is C, pi by 3. Question number 8. Simple questions, right? These are the PYQs. So the questions will be simpler only, not very difficult. But I have taught you up to the very good extent of the questions. So please follow my lecture. Solve all the questions from my lecture, and then you will be able to solve any questions in vectors. Just follow all of my lectures. Okay, all of my lecture videos for vectors. Chaliye. If A equal to 3, B equal to 4, C equal to 5, each one A, B, C is a perpendicular to some of the remaining great statement. Look at this. Each one of A, B, C means if I take A at a time, okay, sum of the remaining. If I take A, it means what? A is perpendicular to sum of the remaining. What does it mean? It means A dot with 0. Same way I can write what, bacha? B dot with A plus C equals to what? 0. And C dot with B plus A equals to 0. Correct? Alright. Excellent, sir. Okay. Chaliye. Let's do one thing. Take this and take the whole square. Actually, before going to do that, if this is the whole square is, okay, let's just do one thing. Can you just expand it over here? The first one, you're going to get A dot B and A dot C, right? Hai? You'll get A dot B and A dot C. This is equation 1. I'm not going to do it. I'm just show you how we are doing it. A dot B and A dot C. Over here, please check. A dot C will come here and A dot B will come here. B dot A and A dot B is same, right? So A dot B I'm getting in the first equation, and again I'm getting B dot A in the second equation. So I'll get what? 2 times of A dot B. Hai? Same way I'm getting A dot C in the first equation. I'm getting C dot A in the second equation. So I'm getting what? Again A dot C like this 2 times. I'm also getting what? B dot C 2 times. Please cross check. Please check second one. B dot C in the third one and B dot C in the second one also. Second equation B dot C is there. If you expand using the distributive property, so B dot C will come and here also C dot B will come. Same thing. So twice of A dot B, twice of B dot C, twice of A dot C. If you add all the 3 equals to what? Right hand side 0 plus 0 plus 0. 0, sir. 0 plus 0 plus 0. 0, sir. This is the condition. Chaliye. Okay. Now write this part. A, B and C, the whole square will be what, bacha? A square B square plus C square, okay, plus 2 times of what? A dot B plus, please check, B dot C plus C dot A. And how much is this? This part is 0. So I write here over here, write this as vector A. Please check. I hope this is visible. Vector A plus vector B plus vector C, the whole square equals to what, bacha? A square, how much is that? 9, sir. B square, how much is that? 16, sir. 5 square, how much is that? 25, sir. What I get? 50 on this side, okay? So vector A plus vector B plus vector C, the mod will be what? Will be root of 50, which is what? Root of 25 times 2. Hai na? 25 times 2. How much is that? Take 25 outside. So 5 root 2. 5 root 2. 5 root 2. Option number C. Please have a look. Simple question. Okay. Just we have to see this through. Statement was given what? If you take one at a time, that will be perpendicular to sum of the basically equal to what? Perpendicular to sum of the remaining. Perpendicular sum of the remaining means what? A dot b plus c is 0. Perpendicular means dot product is 0, right? Cos 90 is 0, na? Perpendicular means what? Dot product, cos theta will come. So cos 90 is 0. So a dot b plus c is 0. Same way, b dot a plus c and c dot a plus b is also 0. From here, if we add all the three equations, we get what? Twice of this. Using it in the formula, a plus b plus c the whole square, getting the answer to be 5 root 2, option number C. Moving on to question number 10. Simple. Chaliye. The value of x in xi cap, xj cap and xk cap. करिए. 1 second. So xi cap plus xj cap plus xk cap. How you find unit vector, bacha? Tell me here. You'll write it like this. It's going to be value of x, right? So if you do it, you're gonna get what? 3x square equals to what? 1, right? How come, sir? If I write the unit vector, now what is going to be my L value? What is going to be my L value? Check here. X only, no? This is a unit vector, right? So how you write a unit vector? Okay, let's say I write this as my vector A, or unit vector of vector A, okay? Then I write what? Unit vector A equals to what? Li cap plus mj cap plus nk cap, right? है ना? So what is this going to be? We know this L square plus m square plus n square equals to what? 1. What is LMN? Please compare. X. So check here. X square plus x square equals to how much? 1. So 3 times of x square equals to what? 1. Same thing I've written over here. Okay. So x square equals to what, bacha? 1 by 3. So x equals to what, bacha? Plus minus 1 by root 3. Option number A. Concept of direction cosines. We have learned it first session of the vectors. Please see. Moving on. 11th question. Again, this is also concept of direction cosines only. Cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma are the direction cosines. Okay. Find sum of this. चलिए करते हैं. Cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma. All of you should have got this answer right, okay? I think option was -1. So all of you should have got this answer right? Please comment. Question number 11, sir. GIR. Got it right, sir. Okay? Please comment. Chaliye, cos 2 alpha, how do you write this? Formula of identity for cos 2 theta. 2 cos square alpha minus 1, sir. Same way. 2 cos square beta minus 1, sir. Same way. 2 cos square gamma minus 1, sir. Correct? Please club this cos square and cos square together. Take 2 common, sir. So cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma minus 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. है ना? What is going to be, bacha? This is simply, sir, remember this, L square plus m square plus n square minus 3, no? Right? L equals to what? If you remember the cosine rules, if you remember the, sorry, not cosine rule, if you remember the direction cosines, L was cos alpha, m was cos beta, and n was cos gamma. So L square, m square, n square. And what is this? We just did it over here. Please check. Equals to 1, sir. So put it here. 2 times of 1 minus 3. How much is that? Minus. Okay. Minus 1. 2 minus 3 is minus 1, sir. Option is C. Got it right? Everyone got it right? Of course you did. You must get this right. This you should get right. Non-negotiable. You have to. Right? सही आया होगा. Right? चलिए. Question number 12. If A given by 2i cap plus lambda j cap plus k cap, B is given by I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap are orthogonal. Are orthogonal, sir. Means what, sir? Perpendicular. Means what, sir? Means, sir, A dot B is 0, sir. Kar lo, answer will be C. Please check it. I will not give you the solution for this. Simple question, okay? If you do the dot product, you're going to get a linear equation in lambda. Lambda, check here. Lambda is the variable, right? If you solve no dot product like this, you'll get a linear equation in lambda. Variable is lambda. Solve for that, you're going to get minus 5 by 2 as the answer. Option number C is the correct answer. If you got it right, very good. Okay? If you do not, please follow what I said. Find the dot product of a and b, get the linear equation in lambda, solve for linear equation in lambda for the variable lambda. You're gonna get lambda as -5/2. Simple enough. Question number 13, sir. A and b are mutually perpendicular unit vectors. Great. Okay, means what? Means sir, a dot b is 0. Simple. Find this value. चलिए निकालते हैं. 3 vector a plus 2 vector b dot product with what बच्चा? 5 vector a minus 6 vector b. We know this very well. We can apply what? The distributive property. So 3 times of this will get me what? 15 a square. है ना? And 2 times of, I can do 3 with this also. I'm going to get what? Minus 18 a dot b. Same way, this over here 2b, 2 into 5, I'm going to get what? Plus 10 b dot a. And last one, 2 into minus 6, so minus 12 b square. Check please. This is 0 and this is also 0 because a dot b is given as 0. They have said that a and b are two mutually perpendicular unit vectors. So a dot b is 0. Unit means what? 15 times of 1 square minus 12 times of 1 square. Can a question get simpler than this, sir? No, sir, of course not. MCQ, very simple. Answer is 3. Option number B, MCQ PYQ from 2018. Okay, chali. Moving on to question number 14. Let's see if you got this also right. I know you must have. A is given as, okay, again orthogonal, but there's a trick. What is it, sir? Not a trick, but basically they have given two variables here, lambda and mu. Karna wahi hai. We'll do the same thing. What is the thing, sir? A dot b equals to 0. Let's do it. Let us do it, sir. So I cap plus lambda j cap plus 2k cap dot product with, sir, this thing, no sir, mu plus j cap minus k cap equals to 0, sir. So 1 into this, sir, simply mu, lambda into 1, sir, again plus lambda, 2 into minus, sir, minus 2 equal to 0, sir. So from here we're getting what? Mu plus lambda is how much, sir? 2. My equation number 1. है ना? Please check. 1 into 1. This is I cap, right? Forgive me. I cap into mu I cap. Sir, mu, no? Because I cap into I cap is 1, right? So mu, lambda into j cap into j cap, again lambda, and 2 into minus 1. So minus 2 equals to 0. Correct? First equation is done. But there are how many variables? 2 variables. We'll need how many solutions? We'll need how many equations? 2 equations. So second condition is given over here. Please check. Please check, sir. So what they've given, bacha? What they have given, sir? They have given simple things, sir. They have given this. And how would you find the magnitude of A and B? Sir, root will come now, sir. Yes. So first for A, 1 lambda square plus 4 na, sir. On this side, bacha, again root will come. Please check. So mu square 1 plus 1, sir, whole square. If you do, the root will be cancelled. Please check. So I get 1 plus 4, which is how much? Okay, write it as 1 plus lambda square plus 4 only. Over this side, mu square plus 1 only. Cancel this. 1 and 1 is gone. Bring this mu square on this side. What I get, bacha? What do I get, sir? Please check. I get lambda square minus mu square. Okay, let me do it ulta. I want to have a positive result. So 4 minus 1 will do. 4 minus 1, right? I'm bringing this 1 on this side. So 4 minus 1, because one of the 1 is cancelled, equals to what? Mu square minus lambda square. Factorize this. Mu minus lambda, mu plus lambda. है ना? Mu minus lambda and mu plus lambda equals to what? 3. What is mu plus lambda? 2 is here, sir. From equation 1 we can write what? 3 equals to mu minus lambda times 2. So what is mu minus lambda, bacha? 3 by 2, equation number 2. Now do one thing, add equation 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and 2. What are you gonna get? Mu minus lambda and mu plus lambda. Lambda will be cancelled. What I get? 2 mu. 3 by 2 plus 2. Please check. I get 2 mu equals to 7 by 2. So what is bacha from here? Mu equals to what? 7 by 4. Mu equals to what? 7 by 4. Okay. 7 by 4. Great. Now guess mu plus lambda was, how much was it? Did I get it right? Guess. Mu square plus 4 mu minus lambda square, mu minus lambda is how much? Okay. Let me just cross check once. I don't want to make a mistake in this case. So it's going to be mu square minus lambda square, mu minus lambda, mu plus lambda over here. Great sir, mu minus lambda into 2 because lambda plus mu is 2. Correct, this is right. If you add them, 2 mu equals to 3 by 2. That's 1.5 and that is going to be 2. So 3.5, so 7 by 2 is correct. So 7 by 4. Mu is 7 by 4. Which option is correct? Please check here. Mu is second one. Mu is over here. Please check. Mu is second in the coordinate. 7 by 4. Where is it? 7 by 4 in second coordinate? Over here only, sir. Option number A is the correct answer. Please check. I don't have to find the lambda, right? Mu is 7 by 4, right? So lambda has to be 1 by 2. How come, sir? They're asking us what? Lambda comma mu, right? What are they asking us? Lambda comma mu. Please check. They're asking us lambda comma mu, sir. And what is mu, sir? Mu is 7 by 4. Which option suits it? 7 by 4 is here. Here 1 by 4 is there. Here 9 by 4 is there. But 9 by 4 is also there. So D no. C no. Here we have, but it is for lambda, right? 7 by 4 is coming for lambda, right? So this also is incorrect. So I have to get what? Mu as 7 by 4. So which option is correct? Option number A. Please have a look. Okay. Visible. Question number 15 coming up for you like this. Okay. So you can solve this question in two ways, right? I'll tell you the answer. Answer would be D. Right? You can solve in two ways. How come, sir? So one thing is use the definition of cross and dot product. Please check. I'll tell you that approach. How much is that going to be? A cross B the whole square. What is A cross B, bacha? A B sin theta. So I get what? A square B square. How much is that, bacha? Sin square theta. My plus is there, right? And what I get over here? A dot B. Again A square B square cos square theta. Take A square B square common. What I get? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, we know this is going to be 1, right? Sin square plus cos square is how much? 1. Identity of trigonometry. What I get? A square B square times of 1. What is the root value? So simply AB. What is A given as? 16. B is 4. Answer is 16 times 4. How much is that? 64 is the correct answer. Okay, 64 is the correct answer. Okay, है ना? Or otherwise they have a result. What is the result? This is going to be what, bacha, if you remember? Simply equals to this. There's a result for this, okay? There's a result on this. I've taught you this in the session. Simply multiply 16 into 4. If you remember this result, multiply 16 into 4, answer is 64 directly. That's how I wrote. If you remember the result, this is the result, standard result from your vectors, cross product of the vectors. Then if you can write simply the mod of A into B as 16 into 4, answer will be 64. Whichever way you want to do, you can do it. Answer is 64 only. Okay, moving on. Question number 16, sir. Question number 16. If the angle between A and B is 2 pi by 3 and the projection of A in the direction of B is -2. Okay. Projection of A in the direction of B. How we write that? Okay. A projection on B, right? It'll become what? A B unit vector. This is given as what? This is a projection, right? Projection is given as -2. So right here -2 equals to, okay, A will be like this only. So A, this dot product, right? Dot with B upon what, bacha? Upon B mod, है ना? Angle is given, right? So A dot will become what? A B cos angle is what? 2 pi by 3. Please check. Angle between A and B is given as 2 pi by 3. So cos 2 pi by 3 divided by mod of B. Cancel this and this, right? So I want to find the value of A, right? Please check. So -2 is here. Keep A as it is. I can write cos 2 pi by 3 as cos of pi minus pi by 3. Yes or no? 2 pi by 3 is what? Pi minus pi by 3. Please check. Which quadrant is that value in? Cos pi minus pi by 3. Second quadrant, sir. Cos is negative, sir. So minus cos pi by 3. So I get what? Minus 2 equals to minus a cos pi by 3 is how much, bacha? Cos pi by 3 is what? Cos 60 degrees, 1 by 2, right? 1 by 2. Cancel minus minus. This is multiplication. A equals to 2 into 2. A equals to 4 is the right answer. Please check. A equals to 4 is the right answer. Have a look. Okay. Simple problem. Simple problem. Just the concept of projection of vector A on vector B you have to remember. Okay. This is the formula. Whichever you're looking for, no? Whichever projection you're looking for on which vector, that will be the cap here. Unit vector here. So B cap. Please check. Moving on. Question number 17. A unit vector perpendicular to the plane containing a vector perpendicular to plane containing these two vectors. Sir, cross product, sir. If I take two vectors, no, like this. Okay, if I call this to be, let's say, vector A, and this is vector B. Okay, then I know that, sir, if I write it as vector A and vector B, the cross product of A and B will be what? A vector perpendicular to this plane AB, either outside or inside. Both cases true. Okay, so I can write what? Find A cross B. Whatever is the result, let's say I'm getting this as result. C equals to what I'm getting? A cross B. Okay, I'm getting C as A cross B. Once you find C, take what? Find your answer would be what? Your answer would be C cap. How much is C cap? Vector C upon mod of vector C. What's the answer? Vector C upon mod of vector C. So find the vector C first. Vector C equals to what, sir? A cross B equals to what, sir? Equals to what, sir? Determinant of what? Please check. First write here I, J and K. I cap, J cap, K cap. Vectors are 1, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 1 and minus 2, 1, 3. Minus 2, 1, 3. Find here. So vector C equals to what, bacha? Please check. I cap times, what is it? 6 minus 1 minus J cap times, please check. 3 minus minus 2. 3 minus minus 2. Okay. Plus K cap times, please check. K cap times 1 minus minus 4. 1 minus minus 4. Please check. 1 minus minus 4. Okay. What's my answer going to be? The vector C is equals to what? 5 I cap minus 5 J cap again. Okay. And last one plus 5 K cap also. 5 K cap also. Great, sir. Okay. So I hope all of you got till this point. Okay. Even if you got this wrong, at least you got till this point also, right? Chali. Now C I know. Find this value. C cap, not C. C cap, bacha. Find this. C cap. Have a look. C cap is equals to what? Vector C upon mod of vector C. How much is that? Tell me here. Vector C equals to what? So I can take 5 common. Sir, I cap minus J cap plus K cap. Okay. So only one option that I can see like this is option number B. It means option B has to be right. But let's check for anyway to make it sure. What I'm gonna get? 5s square plus 5s square plus 5s square. How much is that going to bacha? 5 times of I cap minus J cap plus K cap divided by, I can take 5 square common, right? It'll come out, it will become 5, 1 plus 1 plus 1. I've taken 5 square common. 5 cancelled out. I cap plus I cap minus J cap plus K cap upon root 3. Option number B. Option number B is the correct answer. Good question. Not that easy, but yeah. Not very difficult as we used to do in calculus. So after calculus everything is easy, right? So that's why another simple question to get 1 mark over here also. Moving to question number 18, right? I hope you got this. Yeah. Question number 18. If A and B are unit vectors and theta is the angle between A and B, then sin theta by 2 is what? Excellent question. Let's do one thing. Since you check here, I'm looking for sin theta, right? So I can get sin theta if, and what is the angle? Theta by 2. Remember this formula, sir? Cos is, one second. This formula, sir, not cos square. This formula, sir. Cos 2 theta equals to what? 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So So if I had a case where I am looking for what? Cos theta, I can write what? 1 minus 2 sine square theta by 2. So I need what? Bring this theta, this whole thing over this side and this all this side. What I'm going to get? I'm going to get 2 sine square theta by 2 equals to 1 minus cos theta. So if I have minus sign for cos, I can make some arrangement on this side. So please just find, to get the minus sign, find this, sir. Please find this, sir. Vector A minus vector B, the whole square. What is this going to be, bacha? Tell me here. Sir, A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta, sir. Something like that is coming, sir. Minus sign I've got for cos. What is A, bacha? Unit vectors. Means 1, sir, plus 1 again, minus 2 times of 1 into 1, sir, times of cos theta. Something like that is coming, sir. Right to the left hand side as it is. So A minus B mod the square equals to what? 2 minus 2 cos theta, right? Please take 2 common. 1 minus cos theta, right? Please check. What I'm getting for this? I can replace this by 2 times of 2 sine square theta by 2. है ना? Replace 1 minus cos theta by 2 sine square theta by 2. Now write this thing as it is. LHS as it is. Now take a square root on both sides. I get what? 2 into 2. Square root will that become what? Simply 2. 2 into 2 will 4. If you take square root, it will become 2. I have a sine square, it will become simply sine theta by 2. Okay? I'm looking for what value? Sine theta by 2. Bring this 2 on this side. So I get minus B, A minus B by 2 equals to sine theta by 2. Check here carefully. That's what they were asking, no? That's what they were asking, bacha. Option number B. Right? Option B is correct, no? Option B is correct. Please check. Option B is the correct option. Have a look. It's a good question. I think I've done this question in the class also, okay? But I gave, it was there from PYQ also. So we just solved it. Simple. Chaliye, आगे बढ़े. Question number 19. Question number 19. The two vectors ai cap plus j cap plus k cap and I cap plus 3j cap plus 5k cap represents the two sides AB, AC of the triangle ABC. Okay, of the triangle ABC, the length of the median. Array. This is simple, right? If I take this to be, let's say, so we know the formula, right? If I call, let's say, the median to be what? If I call the median to be, let's say, median to be vector C, then we know that what? Vector C is given by vector AB plus vector AC by 2, right? Please check now. Please add this AB plus AC. So I cap plus I cap, 2I cap. J cap plus 3J cap, sir, 4J cap. K cap plus 5K cap, sir, 6K cap. Divide by 2. How much is that, bacha? C vector equals to I cap plus 2J cap plus 3K cap. Plus 3K cap, right? Okay. Plus 3K cap, sir. Okay. So can you find the mod of this? Please check. You're gonna get what? 1 plus 4 plus 9. That's simply root 14. Answer is like this. Option number C. Not C, sir. C by not C. Not C, sir. Not C. We're looking for what? We're looking for the length, right? Length will be what? Divided by 2, no? So divide by 2, sorry. This whole thing divided by 2. The formula itself is having what? C is given by vector A plus vector B by 2. So option number D will be correct, bacha. Please forgive me. Okay, I missed out on 2. Option number D is correct. So root 14 by 2. Root 14 by 2. Please check here. I've written here. AB plus BC by 2 is there, no? In the C only 2 is there. So after finding the magnitude of C, okay, I have to mention the 2 part over here. Okay, this itself I'll have. Everywhere itself have 2. Yeah, over here also 2. Over here also 2. Answer is root 14 by 2. Please check. Question number 19 is done. Moving to question number 20, sir. This property. Remember this property? I just taught you this. A cross B, the whole square vector form, and then dot product of the vector AB. Again, the whole square equals to what? Vector A square and vector B, the magnitude, the whole square. What is this? This is given as 144 right here. 144, right? 144. Divide this by this value. How much is that going to be? 36 equals to what? Vector b mod the square. How much is that, bacha? Root of 144 by 36. How much is that, bacha? 12 by 6. So 2. So vector b mod is what? 2. Magnitude of the vector b is what? 2. Simple problem. Simple enough? Yes. Asked in 2020 in the paper of KCET. Okay. So please check. Simple question. Remember this property. Very, very important. Every alternate year they keep asking this. Okay. Okay. This can be expected. This is one of the most expected questions from this property. Okay. Chaliye. Question number 21. The area of the quadrilateral ABCD when A, B, C, D are given like this equals to what? Achha, there's an interesting thing about this particular figure. Check here. Asked in 2021. If you draw the parallelogram like this, no? Please check. A, B, and C, D. I'll not have to, draw and prove everything over here. If you check for AB length, check AB once. Check position vector of AB. Check here. AB. Subtract A with B. 2 minus 0. 3 minus 4. So again minus 1. And minus 1, minus 1. Please check. I'm going to get this as 2i cap minus j cap and minus 2k cap. Same way, do for CD also, bacha. Do for CD also. Okay. Check for CD now. From here, 2 minus 4. So minus 2i cap. 6 minus 5. So plus j cap. Okay. 2 minus 0. So plus 2 cap again. 2k cap again. If you find the mod of AB, no, what are you going to get? 4 plus 1 plus 4. So root 9, 3. Over here also root 9, so 3. So they are equal to each other. Same way if you do know, you will get BC equals to AD also. You can also get BC equals to AD. Please cross check. Okay. Once you get that, it means what? It is a parallelogram, right, bacha? Opposite sides are parallel, equal, right? So it means it's going to be parallelogram. Now what they have given, we have been asked to find the area. We have been asked to find the area. Can you find diagonals? We can find it. See, okay, I have already found the AB, right? Can I find AD also? Can I find AD also? Please check. AB is this only, right? AB is what, bacha? So AB is 2 minus 0, 3 minus 4, so minus 1, and minus 1 is minus 2. Let's find AD also. Quickly find AD also. What's AD going to be? AD, sir, A to D. Check here. So 2 minus 0, so 2 I cap. 5 minus 4, so plus, what is it? 1 or I cap, simply 5 minus 4 is simply 1, and 0 minus 1, so minus I. Please check. AD, right? So D minus A have to do 2 minus 0, so 2. 6 minus 4, so okay, 6 minus 4, right? So 2. 1 second. It looks a little messy over here. I can write in this space. Right here, AD. Vector AD will be what given by? It'll be 2 minus 0, so 2 I cap. 6 minus 4, so 2 j cap. And 2 minus 1, so plus k cap. Right? How do you find the area of given parallelogram? Product of the adjacent side, please check. So I can write here simply as AB cross AD, the mod. How you find AB cross AD? So using the matrix right here, I, J, K, 2 minus 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1 minus 2. And for this, 2, 2 and 1. For this, 2, 2 and 1. Can I find it over here, bacha? Please have a look. So I can write here AB cross AD is given by what? Please check. I cap times, if I do for I cap, I get what? Minus 1 minus plus 4. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, and 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, but you have to again subtract, so plus 4. Okay. With minus j cap, what I'm going to do? Please check. I will cancel the second column and the first row. So 2 minus minus 4. 2 minus, please check. This if you cancel, 2 into 1 minus minus 4. So again we'll do what? Plus 4. Now last but not the least, k cap. Please check for the k cap. 4 minus minus 2. So 4 plus 2 again, please check. 2 into 2 is 4 and minus of minus 2. So plus 6. What I'm getting here? 3I cap. 4 plus 2. So plus 6J cap. And over here plus 6K cap, right? Plus 6K cap. Please check. 6K cap. What is the answer going to be, bacha? Simply mod of this. So AB into AD vector, the mod. How you find the mod, bacha? Tell me here. The mod will be what? The root under 3 square, so 9, 6 square, so 36, 6 square, so again 36. How much is that? 9 plus 72. How much is that? 81. How much is that? 9, sir. Please check. How much is that? 9, sir. Option is A. A good question or not? So I'll break this question again into fewer steps. First thing is we have to verify whether it is a parallelogram or not. To do that, what did we do? We found AB, we found CD, we found the magnitude in our mind. We got that AB and CD are equal. Same way we also said that we'll also have AD and BC equal. If you check, we'll also have AD and BC equal. Once that is true, it means ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay. Once it is a parallelogram, we know that area of parallelogram is what? Product of the cross product of what? It's adjacent side. So I took AB, already I have. AD I found. I got AD over here. How do you find cross product? Using the matrices. I found cross product. I got how much this as? How much I got this cross product as? 3I cap plus 6J cap plus 6K cap. Okay, 1 second. This is not plus. This is minus, bacha. Okay. 6 minus 6J cap. Okay. But it doesn't matter because we are looking for magnitude. But let's not write anything incorrect. So 2 plus 4 is 6. So minus 6J cap and plus 6K cap. Getting the magnitude as 9 plus 36 plus 36 in the root, which is root 81. Answer is 9. Answer is 9. Please check. Option number A is the correct answer. Okay. Great. Now question number 21 is done. Have a look. Very good question. Question number 22. Question number 22. A vector A makes equal acute angles on the coordinate axis. Equal acute angle means what? Equal acute angle means what? It means alpha equals to beta equals to gamma. That's the angle between the x-axis and the vector, y with the vector and z with the vector. So basically cos alpha equals to cos beta equals to cos gamma. Correct? Cos gamma. Okay. So I can write what? Basically what? L equals to M equals to N. Okay. Great. So if you check here, bacha, what I can write here now? L square plus M square plus N square, we know that is equals to 1. So I can write what? 3L square equals to what? 1. So what is L square equals to 1 by 3? What do I get L as? What do I get L as? L is simply what, bacha? 1 upon root 3. How we write this vector? So if I write this vector to be vector A, right? So I'm writing this vector A cap as 1 by root 3 times of what? I cap plus 1 by root 3 times of J cap plus 1 by root 3 times of K cap. So basically my vector A cap is given by 1 by root 3 is outside. Okay. I cap plus J cap plus K cap. This is my vector A. Sorry, vector A cap. Okay. They're looking for what? Projection of vector B on vector A. Okay. Projection of vector B on vector A. So vector B projection of vector B on vector A. How much is that, bacha? If you remember, vector B dot with A cap. है ना? Projection of vector B on A is what? Vector B dot A cap. What is vector B? Please check here. 5I cap plus 7J cap minus K cap times of what? This thing, vector A cap. Okay, please check here. They know vector A. If you take I with I, what are you gonna get, bacha? What are you gonna get? 1 by 3 is a constant, right? So I can write here 1 by root 3 in the denominator. I with 5. So it's plus 5. Because we are doing what? Dot product, no? So 5I into I. So 5. J into plus 7. So plus 7. And K into 1 into 1. So minus 1. है ना, we are doing dot product. So I into I is 1, j into j is 1, k into k is 1. The coefficients now you compare, 1 into 5 is 1, 1 into 7 is 1, and 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. What is the answer? Please check here. 5 plus 7 is 12, minus 1 is 11 by root 3. Option number B. I hope all of you got this right. Okay. Equal acute angle means what? Equal direction cosines, right? So from here we got equal direction cosines. So L M N are equal means L equals to 1 by root 3. So I get the unit vector across A will be given by this 1 by root 3, I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Okay, and they're looking for what? Projection of, this is projection of, let me write it here. They're looking for projection of vector B on vector A. By definition we have B dot A cap, vector B dot A cap, vector B we know, A cap we know. Dot product is what? 11 by root 3. Answer is B. Moving on to question number 23, sir. Question number 23, sir. Okay, chaliye. So the diagonals of a parallelogram are the vectors given like this. They have given a diagonal, bacha. Then the length of the shorter sides. Okay, we have to find the length of the shorter side. So please check. We have this concept, right? Vector A is given by what? Diagonal 1 vector by 2. Parallelogram, right? Great. So please do it. 3i minus i. So sir, 2i. Okay. 6j minus 2j. So sir, 4j cap. Minus 2 minus 8. Sir, minus 10k cap. Divide by what, bacha? 2. What I get? I cap plus 2j cap minus 5 k cap. Minus 5 k cap. 1 second. 10 by 2, right? So minus 5 k cap. Okay. Find the mod of A then. Please find the mod. What I get, bacha? 1 plus 2 square is what? 4. 5 square is what? 25. So root 30. We have another side, right? Vector B also. Write vector B again. Vector B will be what? D1 minus D2 by 2. Please check now in this case. 3i minus i. So 4i. 6 minus 2. So plus 8j. Okay. And minus 2 and plus 8. Minus 2 plus 8. What is it? Plus 6 j cap, right? Plus 6. Please check. Divide by 2. Correct, na? Minus 2 plus 8, right? Minus 2 plus 8 is what, bacha? Plus 6. So minus 2 plus 8 is plus 6. Divided here. 2i cap plus 4j cap and plus 3k cap, right? 3k cap. This is my vector B. So mod of vector B is what? Length. Vector B mod is what? 4 plus 16 plus 9. 2 square is 4, 4 square is 16, and 3 square is 9. So 20 plus 9 is what? 29. So I'm getting two sides. Will I have third side also in parallelogram? No, sir. Parallelogram means opposite sides are equal. So if two sides are having the length root 29 and root 30 means other two sides will be what? Again root 29 and root 30. Option number for the shortest side is what? Root 29. Option number B is correct. Please check. Shorter side means root 29, right? Out of the two, root 29 is the correct answer. Option number B. Have a look. Moving on to question number 24. A dot B equals to 0. A plus B makes an angle of 60 degree with A. Okay, A plus B makes an angle, right? It means what? I can write this as A plus B dot with A is equals to what? Please check. A plus B in the mod times B, not B, A mod, sorry. Mod of the vector A cos theta, mod of vector A, and what? Cos theta, so cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree from here. What I've written? I've written the dot product. Please check. A dot A square, and this B dot A equals to what? Write this as it is. A plus B, and what is the bacha? A cos 60 degree is what? We'll write it later. Don't worry. So B dot A is what? A dot B, B dot A, 0, sir. This part is 0. So I can write here as A square upon, bring this over here. So A plus B, please check. Okay. mod of A equals to cos 60 is what? 1 by 2. I can cancel this and this with A square by A, so A will be left. Now I can multiply. I get what? Cross multiplication. 2 will come over here and this will go there. So 2A equals to what? Please check. Vector A mod of vector A plus B. Take the whole square. What I get over this side? 4A square. For this side, I get A square plus B square. A square plus B square plus 2A dot B. 2A dot B. है ना? What is A dot B, sir? 0, sir. What is A dot B? How did A dot B, sir? AB cos theta is there, no? So A dot B, this whole thing will be what, bacha? 0. So I can write this as, bring this A square on this side. So 3A square equals to what? B square. Take the root now. So I get what? B equals to root 3 times of A. Yeah, D. Please have a look. B equals to root 3 times of A. Simple question. Asked in 2021. Simple enough. Moving on. हो रहा है. Getting the questions right? I hope all of you got all the answers right, no? The questions are not difficult, bacha. I want to have more comments, in the comment section saying that, sir, I got 25, 29, 30. Okay? I know you should get it. I know you have gotten it. Okay? Chaliye. You must have got the answers for all the questions. Okay? Because I have particularly taught you all these concepts. So you can solve all the questions, I'm very sure. If you're serious for your preparation, okay, which you are, right? Otherwise we will not be here, no? If the area of parallelogram with AB as 2 adjacent side is 15 square, they've given that. Then the area of parallelogram having, okay, excellent question. So what is the meaning of the first statement? If the area of the parallelogram with the side AB, adjacent side is there, is what? 15. It means what, bacha? Simply A cross B is given as 15, sir. है ना? Area is what? A cross B, no? When the adjacent side is given. Okay. Now they're asking you to find what? If the side was 3A plus 2B and A plus 3B for the other parallelogram, if the side was 3A plus 2B and A plus 3B, then what is the area? What are they asking basically? They're asking you to find this value. 3A, 1 second. 1 second, sir. 3A plus 2B cross product with A plus 3B. We can do the distributive property. 3A cross A. 3A cross 3B. So plus 9 A cross B. है ना? Please check. Next what? 2B cross A. So plus 2B cross A. है ना? You can't change A cross B in this case. Cross product is not commutative. We have learned that. And last is what? Plus 6 B cross B. Now see the fun. A cross A is 0, sir, because sine 0. है ना? Sine 0 is 0. Over here also, bacha, B cross B is 0, sir. So this also is gone. This part, 9A cross B is left now. Plus 2 B cross A is there, no? I can write this as plus minus 2 times of A cross B. I can write B cross A as A cross B. What I get over this? 7 times of A cross B. What is A cross B given as? 15, sir. So 7 times of 15. How much is that, bacha? 105. 105. Option number C. Option number C. Looks complicated, but it is actually a very simple question. 105 is the final answer. Have a look. Okay? Having fun? Yes? Chaliye, sir. Moving on to question number 26. 26. Last 4 questions to go. If A equals to 2, B equals to 3, then the angle between A and B is 120 degree. Then the length of the vertex vector, okay, the length of this, right? So we have to find this whole square. Let's do this without hesitation. So A vector minus 1 by 3, B the whole square. It will be 1 by 2 A square plus 1 by 3 B square. Achha, why am I writing A square directly? Because if I do this, no, I'll get what? A dot A, no? A dot A is what, bacha? A square directly. Okay, that's why I'm writing A square all the time. So I hope you know that. I've taught you in the sessions also. So now last term, minus 2 times of 1 by 2 A into 1 by 3 B. Okay, and the angle cos 120 degree. Cos, I'll write over here, cos 120 degree. Cos of 120 degrees, sir. okay, cos of 120 degree. Let me write it over on this side. Okay, so 1 by 2 of a square, right? So 1 by 2, what is a square bacha? 4. 1 by 3, acha, no, no sir, 1 by 2 will also be squared, right? Yeah, 1 by 2 will also be squared, so you'll have 4 over here and 9 over here. If you square 1 by 2a, this is a, right? You're gonna get 1 by 4a square, no, and 1 by 9b square, right? So please check 1 by 4 now. What is a square value? 2 square, right? So 2 square plus 1 by 9, b value, what is b value? 3. So 3 square, right? And minus 1 by 2 times of what bacha? 1 by 6, right? One second. Numbers are there making complicated. 1 by 2, 1 by 3 is 1 by 6. A into b. What is a into b, sir? A is going to be what bacha? 2. So 2 into 3 again, right? So 3 here. Now cos 120. Write it like this for now. Excuse me. Check here. 6 and 6 is gone. Over here what I have? 4 and 4 is gone. 9 and 9 is gone. So I have 1 plus 1. 3 square is 9, right? 2 square is 4. So 4 and 4 gone. 9 and 9 gone. Minus I have what left? 2 times of cos 120. Please check. I'm getting what? 2 minus 2. Write this as cos of 90 plus 30 degree. Okay. What is it going to be? 2 minus 2. Cos will become what? Minus sine 30 degrees. Okay. 2 minus 2. How much is that, bacha? Minus will become plus over here. Sine 30 is what? 1 by 2. 2 and 2 cancels. What is the answer? 2 plus 1. So 3. Please check. 120 I have written as 90 plus 30. So cos 90 plus 30 is what? Sine 30. But second quadrant, so negative. So minus sine 30. Minus becomes plus. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Okay. 2 cancels. I have answer as 2 plus 1, which is 3. Option number C, sir. Option number C, bacha. Okay. Asked in 2022. Good question. Okay. But not very difficult. Good question. They can ask it, but you can answer it in 1 minute. No problem. Okay. Moving on to question number 2027, sir. If A cross B, the whole square. This is the whole square, bacha. This is the whole square. The same property, right? Okay. Okay. This property. Asking 2022, right? Okay, great. A cross B, the whole square plus dot the whole square. Dot product the whole square equals to what? Product A square and B square. Okay. This is what? This is given as 36, right? So right here 36. Divide by what, bacha? Divide by this value, no? 3 square, right? So 9 equals to what? Vector B the square. How much is that? 4, sir. Okay, 4, no, sir. So vector B square is 4. Means vector B is equals to what? Root of 4. How much is that? 2. Check here. Please check. Correct, na? Vector A is 3 given, right? So vector A square will be what? 4 only, no? So 9 only, no? So I've taken 9 over this side. This is given as 36. So 36 by 9 is how much? 4. 4 root is how much? 2. Answer is what? 2. Vector B mod is what? Vector B mod is 2, sir. Simple enough. Okay? 2. Moving on to question number 28. चलिए कर लेते हैं. They have given a sum of the magnitude of the sum of the two vectors is equal to magnitude of the difference of the two vectors. When can this happen? Please check. Take the whole square, sir. You'll see this. To check these conditions, no, we have to check the whole square only to know the angles, right? Okay. Equals to vector A minus vector B the whole square. What is this going to be, bacha? A square B square plus 2AB. Okay, or I can simply write this as 1 second. Yeah. 2A dot B. Okay, and on this side also A square plus B square. Okay, minus 2A dot B. From here I can write what? Cancel this. A square B square, A square B square. Bring this 2AB on this side. I get what? 2AB plus 2AB will be what, bacha? 4A dot B equals to what? 0. From here what I get? A dot B equals to 0. This is true when A vector is perpendicular to vector B. Option number B. Please check. Simple problem based on definition of that we have learnt in the dot product. Okay, chali. Question number 28 is done. Moving to question number 29. Okay, the component of vector I in the direction of vector I plus j plus 2k. Okay, so I plus j plus 2k. So in this direction we are looking for, right? Okay, we are looking only for which component? X component. But we are looking for only direction. It means what? We have to find the unit vector. bacha. So I'll write it as I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap divided by what, bacha? Root of 1 plus 1 plus 2 square. How much is that going to be? I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap upon what? 4 plus 2. So root 6. We're looking for which component? Only I component. So please check here. What I'm going to get? 1 upon root 6. What is this? I component. I component. Okay, so if you rationalize this, so what are you going to get? Root 6 in the numerator, root 6 over here. What do you get? Root 6 upon 6. Option number C. Option number C is the correct answer. Simple question, very simple, asked in 2023. Looks difficult by challenging, the statement. They're simply asking you what? X component. They're simply asking you X component, but not for the vector. What you are going to do, no? Okay, there's not given an option like this, but if they give it a given option like 1, no? Let's say there was option 1 given. Ticked it wrong because they're asking in the direction of this. Direction means what? You have to find the unit vector. You have to find what? If I take this vector to be, let's say, vector A, what is this, bacha? This is vector. What is this? Vector A, the cap, means we are looking for what? Unit vector, and from there we have to find what? X component. So what we get? Root 6 by 6. Option number C. Option number C. To the last question of the day, sir. Again, so you can see the question has been asked. By looking at this paper only, you could have made up your mind, sir, this question will certainly come and we have to practice it. I don't know whether it's going to come or not, but this is a very frequently repeated question. So this property is very, very important. Please check here. The property of dot and cross product taken together. Again, I can do what? Same thing. A cross B, okay, whole square, plus dot product now. Dot product the whole square equals to what? The product of the squares of the vectors, magnitude. Product of the squares of vectors magnitude, okay. This is given as 144. This is given as what? 4 square, right? So 16, okay, times of vector B the whole square. So I get what? 144 by 16. The root equals to what? Vector B mod, okay. 12 by 4 equals to mod of vector B. 3. Answer is what? 3. Fun exercise, okay. So answer is 3. So I hope this was helpful. I hope all of you got a very good marks. So a big congratulations for this, and keep working hard for your upcoming mock test, upcoming preparation, okay. Keep yourself positive, okay. And as I said, for the previous KPL question number 28, I think take the option to be one solution as your final answer, and if you got it right, that's 1 mark for you, okay. With this, I would like to end the session, bacha. Keep working hard, keep smiling, keep positivity around you. I'll see you in the next session. So we have completed vectors, we have completed the PYQs of the vectors also in the practice session, and we have done PYQs in the all the PYQs I've taken, okay. I think around 30 odd PYQs I've taken, yeah. So from last 10 years I think I've taken. So I've taken all the 30 PYQs, I've solved it for you, and this is it. So I hope you're feeling confident in this chapter, and if a question comes from this chapter, you have to get that marks for sure, okay. With this, I would like to end the session. Keep working hard, keep smiling, take care, bye bye.